was a beautiful day to play outside without saying.
We practice the pronunciation and fluency. We also work with the skills and strategies that help us in our reading comprehension. In writing, we make an offer workshop where we create a piece of writing. First, we made a graphic organizer, then a draft. Then our teacher checks on them so we can publish them. We also work our grammar on the paper.
The main idea? Yes, because we follow the steps. So who can review the steps too and to find the main idea? Let me see. Daniel, can you review the steps to identify the main idea?
First, look at the title.
The first one?
Look at the title.
Look at the title. Continue.
The second is read the title sentence.
Read the title sentence. Very good. Number 3.
Read the last sentence.
Read the last sentence. Number 4.
Look at the pictures.
Look at the pictures. And number 5.
Look at the captions.
Look at the captions. So, is it clear the steps to identify the main idea and the details?
Yes.
Yes. So, are you ready to go to a reading and identify that?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's try. Let's see if that's right.
In listening, we use songs, K-2C books, audios to answer questions about what we heard. In speaking, we use class participation.